Hello everyone, welcome to the Intermediate Algorithm Scripting Challenges from FreeCodeCamp. Today we're gonna do Arguments Optional. Now Arguments Optional is a challenge that you can do it many ways because it has several conditions and all of that. It's basically about you have to fill in this function with code that will add two arguments together. Now those arguments can be separated from each other, like here. First argument, second argument. It looks a bit weird, but yeah, you gotta cover that test case. Now, if this is not an integer, it should return undefined. If one of them is not an integer, it should return undefined, and so on. So this is an array, for example. But otherwise, we're just gonna add them together. Here, 2 plus 3, 5. 23 plus 35, 53, and so on. Okay, so first what I did was get the arguments and put them into an array. So this is, for example, how you would destructure an array. Arguments is an object that is always available whenever you are inside of a function. It might be null, or it might be, like in this case, the arguments. And since I know that there's not going to be more than two arguments, like we do not expect more than two arguments, then I can safely say there's going to be argument 1 and argument 2. Then I made a small helper function. So helper function is a function that you're going to use within another function because it's not independent by itself. You have to use it for other stuff. It's like a tool. And in this helper function, I test whether the number that is passed in as an argument is an integer or not. And now it's just like I just did it this way. Like I said, you can do it many ways. I just try to cover all the test cases. So if the first argument is not a number, like not an integer, return undefined. Otherwise, if both are integers, add them up together, and otherwise, if there is no second argument, just rerun the function again within another function, and if that new argument is an integer, then we're just gonna add the new integer with the first argument. So like you can see here, it works for that. It also works for 21 and 3, 25, so on. So to sum it up, we take the arguments, check is it an integer. If it is, then add them up, like add them together into one integer that we are gonna return. If there's only one argument, then we want to search for the second argument within the bubbled function, and then if that is an integer, then we're just gonna add them together, like if new argument is the second, like if new argument were the second argument. So doing as if. So running the tests will give us a passed score, and then we can just go on to the next one. If you have any questions, feel free to write them down below in the comments. And thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe, interact with the video. It helps a lot to grow the channel. There's more content coming up, not only coding, so stay tuned. And so that was all from me. See you next time. Bye bye.